Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn to draw capital letters alphabets A to Z. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Red color, yellow color, blue color, green color, and black color. Kids, now you draw alphabets. And first you draw A. A for apple, A for airplane, and use red color. Kids, again use red color and draw B. B for ball, B for bat. Kids, now you draw C. C for cat, C for car, and use yellow color. The alphabets of C. D. D for dog, D for doll. Kids, now draw E. E for egg, E for elephant. The alphabets of E. And use blue color, blue color. F. F for fish, F for fan. Kids, again use blue color and draw G. G for goat, G for grapes. Kids, now draw H. H for hand, H for helicopter, and use green color, green color. I for ice, I for ice cream. It's neither J. J for joker, J for jackfruit, and use black color. The alphabets of J. K. K for kite, K for king. It's neither L. L for lion, L for lemon, and use red color, red color. M. M for moon, M for mango. N. N for nose, N for nest. Kids, neither O. O for orange, O for octopus, and here is yellow color, yellow color. P. P for parrot, P for penguin. It's neither Q. Q for queen, Q for quill, and use blue color. R. R for rose, R for rice. It's neither S. S for sun, S for snake, and use green color. T. T for teacher, T for tiger. U. U for umbrella, U for uncle. Kids, neither V. V for van, V for vanilla, and here is black color, black color. W. W for wallet, W for watch. X. X for X-ray, X for telephone. Kids, again use black color and draw Y. Y for yak, Y for yo-yo. Z. Z for zebra, Z for zoo. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.